Greetings. My name is Stephen Sherman. We're coming to you live from the Superior Energy headquarters in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I started my education at the University of Michigan, studying energy systems engineering and entrepreneurship. I really learned a lot during that stage of my life, especially the entrepreneurial way of building products customers love. Following school, I went into the automotive industry, very common for people in Michigan. I started my career at Hyundai's Technical Center, spending 3 years there and 5 years at Ford Motor Company. It was a great start to my career. Those companies build extremely high quality products at scale that improve people's lives and they make money doing it. Following that chapter, I went to battery startup company One, Our Next Energy, and I was hired to work on residential energy systems, putting batteries in homes. Part of that ride included a trip to Tanzania and Mozambique in Southeast Africa to study why there are nearly a billion people that still live without access to electricity. It was an extremely important chapter in my life. I'm very thankful for it. Unfortunately, that ride came to an end a little prematurely, resulting in losing my job there. I picked myself back up, reignited my career and my passion. I went through HeatSpring's NAPSEP PVIP training course with Solar Sean White. And wow, what a next chapter it unfolded. It gave me the technical training and the hands-on skills to do what I love, get solar on roofs and batteries in garages. It taught me how to decipher the National Electrical Code and just really set the stage for this next chapter of my career at Superior Energy. I believe staying curious is a lifelong adventure. We all can be lifelong learners and constantly grow and reinvent ourselves. I'm very thankful for the technical and real world hands-on skill sets that I've learned from HeatSpring and my NAVSEP course. It's really opened a new chapter for my life and career. So special thanks to Brian Hayden and team and Solar Sean White. And I hope everyone out there can stay curious.